Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. In the last class we have seen how to calculate cost of debt. Now today we'll see how to calculate cost of preference shares. You know about these preference shares in depth. I gave you very good and neat explanation, especially one class dedicated to preference shares. Need not to speak. But one point I must mention. Whenever we calculate preference shares, here you will not get any tax deduction. Tax deduction is possible only in case of debt. When you issue the debentures, there you are going to pay interest. On interest, tax deductible facility is there. So we had only over there, but not in preference shares, not even in equity shares. Point to be noted. Now today we'll see how to calculate preference shares. Did you remember the formula of calculation of cost of debt? Almost similar. So that is why I'm asking you, did you remember? If not, refer the previous class. Notes is there, na? Now anyway, we'll focus cost of calculation of preference shares. You know that irredeemable, redeemable, two methods are there. Irredeemable, there is no maturity at all. Maturity is unknown. Redeemable, we know maturity, when it is going to mature. So these are the two methods. We'll focus first on irredeemable preference shares. Simple formula. Even irredeemable cost of debt also simple formula, right? Did you remember? Now the formula is KP. K means cost of, P means preferences. Cost of preference shares is equal to D by NP into 100. D means dividend. NP means net proceeds into 100. Earlier cost of debt formula, interest by net profit into 100. There it was interest, now here dividend. Interest to be paid to the debenture holder, so interest. Dividend to be paid to the preference shareholder. So in place of interest we are putting here dividend. Okay, dividend by net proceeds into 100. Simple formula. Now we'll see a problem. Formula noted now, so we'll focus on problem. Sanjana company issues 12% preference shares of the face value of 100 rupees each. Sanjana company is issuing preference shares. How much is the dividend? 12%. And the face value 100 rupees each at par. At par means 100 rupees only. Full percent they are issuing. Floating costs are estimated at 3% on 3% of sale price. Floating charges means for expenses. For issuing of these shares, 3% is the floating charges. Calculate the cost of preference shares. We know the formula. Calculate preference shares. We know that what is this problem? In this problem, maturity date is given. No, it means it is irrecoverable. Irrecoverable preference shares. Irrecoverable preference shares means simple formula. Dividend by NP into 100. D by NP into 100. Simple. So let's write. Now here dividend is KP. Cost of preference shares. Dividend. Separately you can write here dividend is equal to 12%. And what is net proceeds? Net proceeds here actually 100 rupees each share, but 3% floating charges are there. It means net proceeds are decreasing. 100 minus floating charges 3 rupees means net proceeds are here 97 rupees. Dividend is 12 rupees. Net proceeds are 97 rupees. That's all. We'll apply in the formula. Dividend is 12 by net proceeds are 97 into 100. 1200 divided by 97. Put it on the calculator and tell me. I can't hear you. 1200 divided by 97. It comes to 12.37. 12.37 is the cost of preference shares. Actually, we are issuing preference shares for 12%, but the cost is 12.37%. Why the cost got increased? Because of floating charges. Because of floating charges, cost of preference shares rather than 12% it got increased. That's all. Are you sure? Understood? Next we'll go for irredeemable is over. Redeemable preference shares. Redeemable preference shares formula also almost similar to the previous problem. Cost of debt. Now in cost of debt also we have taken D into 1 minus T. 1 minus T was there, na? 1 minus T means tax was there. Now here tax is not there, so that is why dividend by net proceeds into 100. There interest by net proceeds into 100, but whenever tax is there, interest into 1 minus T by NP into 100. Should I write? There it was interest into 1 minus T by NP into 100. This was cost of debt, KD. Right? Now coming to this redeemable. Redeemable formula is almost similar to the same one. Now here KP is equal to D plus their interest plus. Interest plus 1 minus T was there. Now here no interest, so no 1 minus T. D plus 1 by N into RV, redeemable value, minus net proceeds by 1 by 2 into redeemable value plus net proceeds into 100. Okay. In the previous problem also, if you remembered, in the beginning I wrote 1 by 2, but it is 1 by n. Please remember, on the top it is 1 by n, downside it is 1 by 2. Both, whether it's a cost of debt or cost of preference shares, both the ways. Same formula. Only the thing is we are writing D instead of I. I into 1 minus T, it was there. Now here only D. D plus 1 by N into RV minus NP by 1 by 2 into RV plus NP. Here minus, here plus into 100. If you remember that, this is easy. Now let's focus on one problem. Anirudh Limited issues 9% preference shares of 100 rupees each at par, means same rate. Anirudh company is issuing 9% of preference shares. Each share is 100 rupees. At par, redeemable at 10% premium after 10 years. 10 years means it is redeemable preference shares. Okay. Now calculate cost of preference shares. Redeemable preference shares, because 10 years is given, so formula is this one. D plus 1 by N into RV minus NP by 1 by 2 into RV plus NP into 100. Talk along with me, say along with me, it will be easy for you. Okay. Now let's proceed this problem. Formula already I have written. KP is equal to D, dividend is here 9% plus 1 by N. N is 10 years. 1 by 10 into RV. Redeemable value is here actually 100 rupees we could have written. But now here they are saying 10% premium at the time of maturity. Means redeemable value is increasing. So redeemable value, we can show it in working notes. Cost shares value is here 100 rupees. Share value is 100 rupees plus premium. Premium how much we are paying? 10 rupees. 10%. Comes to redeemable value is 110. Can show it in working notes. Okay, redeemable value. 1 by N is 1 by 10. Redeemable value is 110 minus net proceeds. Net proceeds are here 100 by 1 by 2 into 110 plus 100 into 100. We'll do the calculations. This is 110 minus 100, it comes to 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1 only. So this is 9 plus, am I right? 1 by 10 into net proceeds is 100, no? Yes, 100 it is. Into 10. 110 minus 1. This is 210. 210 divided by 2. 210, 105 into 100. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 into 100 comes to 1000 divided by 105. .52%. Okay, 9.52%. Is it clear? Shall I explain you once again? Simple formula you have to remember, same like cost of debt only. There we used to write interest, now here writing dividend. Okay, dividend into 1 by n into RV minus NP by 1, 1 by 2 into RV plus NP into 100. Now as per the formula, what is needed? Dividend. Dividend is this one. N is 10 years. Redeemable value. Redeemable value is premium is given, so that is why we have calculated. If premium was not given, we could have taken 100 only. So actual value is, share value is 100. Premium at the time of maturity, premium they wanted to add 10%. So redeemable value at the time of redeemable, the value will be increasing to 110 because of the premium. So 110 you got it. Redeemable net proceeds are 100 only. Where is 100? Huh? If at all any charges are given, we could have deducted just like this problem. Okay, no charges are given, 100 only we have taken. Applied in the formula, we got the answer. Clear? Any doubts? Write it in the comment box. By the way, take screenshot. If you are thorough, then we'll go for next few more problems. Stay connected, check out the playlist, whatever is useful, use it. And not only depending on our channel, please take out your testament, practice as much as possible so you get the confidence. All the formulas, write it at one place, by heart it, remember it, practice it more times. That makes you perfect. You will never forget this subject. Easy, na? How many of you are feeling easy? Write it in the comment box. Okay, next class I'll connect with you. Don't forget to share this video. Stay blessed and have a bright career. Good luck.